Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to copy a good prompt or how to steal a good prompt from a picture that you like. Alright, let's say I'm having a scary horror story YouTube channel and I want to create a great or strong logo for that, but I have no idea how to start with a prompt. So what we can do from there is go to Explore, then go to Search and search here for scary logo. Do enter, and right now you will see here a lot of scary logos. Now let's see what we like. Now I like, let's see, I think I like this one. So, or no, sorry, this one. Let's click on this one, and right here you see here the complete prompt that you can use. If you click here now on this, you will place the prompt just right here, and if you do enter now, he will create a logo for us with the same prompt as the picture or image that we saw. So let's see when this is 100%. Probably we have a insane logo for the channel. And if you can see, he changed it a little bit, but yeah, in my opinion, this one and this one are very, very nice. So this is exactly how you can copy good prompts for your own pictures or images. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.